Hi guys, today I have two Bandai Scale World figures to unbox. First we'll take a look at the boxes. We have Gardenia and Torterra. Here's a close-up of them. And here's another look at them. Here are the others in the different regions. And here's some size comparisons. Then we also have Grotle, Barry and Staraptor. Here's a super tiny picture of the one before. Here's Barry with his "I'm going to find you" face. Like most human figures, his head can rotate. His outfit is pretty simple, but it's accurate to the game. His bag is also pretty simple and not that interesting. Here's a look at his crazy hair. There's nothing below the shoes. Now for a look at Grotle. The colors are really good on this. The bushes on his head is nicely detailed. Here's a closer look at his face and the underside. Now we have Staraptor with his mohawk. Barry has all the Pokemon with crazy hair. The back is pretty plain. They also come with some stands even though they don't need them. This one's for Barry. And the other one is for Staraptor. Now let's take a look at Gardenia. Here's a closer look at her face and her bowl cut. The head can rotate. She's saying talk to the hand. And here's a look under the shore. I like the shoelaces. Just black under the shoes. Her bowl cut is perfectly straight at the back. And here's a look at the back of the shawl. She also comes with a stand. And finally we have her partner Pokemon Torterra. He has some weight to him. Here's a closer look at the tree. It looks pretty good. Torterra is smaller than I'd like it to be. It was a lot bigger in the anime, but this is probably more game accurate. Let's take a look at the Torterra evolution line along with Turtwig, which I have already unboxed. Torterra is really tiny next to the other two. But Torterra should be a lot bigger, I think. And here's the comparison to Rillaboom. Rillaboom is taller than Torterra, but shorter than the tree on its back. I think Torterra should have been this size instead. That's my unboxing of Gardenia and Barry and their Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.